You search for how to buy shares of Pro-Dex Inc. Pro-Dex Inc. is a specialized company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PDEX. This short guide explains the practical steps to find and buy that stock and is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. Here we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by submitting an identity document, and then add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker PDEX to locate the listing. Confirm you have selected the Pro-Dex Inc. equity among any similar names or instruments. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent trading. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the PDEX ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to commit, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you may schedule a market order or place a limit order. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your Pro-Dex Inc. position will appear in your portfolio view, showing quantity and cost basis. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.